How many of you guys out there wish that you had a bench vise aboard your boat? Well, here it is, boys and girls. There's a bench vise screwed down onto a 2x6 or a 2x8 board. Make sure it's wide enough from this side to that side to straddle the engine stringers in the engine room on your boat, or you can just take it outside onto the back deck or onto the dock, and you can just lay it down on the dock, or it maybe even in the parking lot, so that you can do some work. Here you can see I've got to get this copper tubing out of this quarter turn ball valve, and just me, so instead of having to have 2 or 3 people with a bunch of different wrenches and poke myself in the leg, it's better to have the bench vise on the 2x6 or the 2x8, and then you can put your wrench on it and unscrew it. If you have any questions about do-it-yourself projects aboard your boat, we've got classes coming up November 2024. Ask Captain Chris.